Hi, welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be learning how to play Potion Explosion. To set up, each player receives a desk board and the starting player gets the first player token. Place the dispenser in the center of the play area and put in all of the ingredient marbles randomly. Take out 6 kinds of potion tiles you will use in this game and put the rest in the box. Take 2 random starter potion tiles marked with a star symbol per player and lay them out in the middle of the play area with the recipe side facing up. Starting from the first player and proceeding clockwise, each player takes 1 starter potion tile. Then each player takes a second starter potion tile, starting with the last player and proceeding counterclockwise. Place these 2 potion tiles on the burner of your desk board with the recipe side facing up. Then shuffle the remaining potion tiles and divide them into 5 piles. Prepare little help tokens and skill tokens. Take out 4 skill tokens for 2 players, 5 for 3 players, and 6 for 4 players to make a countdown stack. Then you are ready to play. The game's winning condition is to get the most points by completing as many potions as possible. The game is played in rounds, starting with a starting player and proceeding clockwise. On your turn, you will take 1 ingredient marble and use it. Step 1. Taking ingredients. Take 1 ingredient marble from the dispenser. At this time, only fully exposed marbles can be taken. After taking an ingredient marble, if 2 ingredient marbles of the same color collide, they explode. Take all connected marbles of the same color. After taking the exploded marbles, if more marbles of the same color collide again, they explode, and you take those marbles as well. Continue taking marbles of the same color in this way until they do not collide. Once per turn, before or after taking the ingredient marbles, you can get a little help from the professor. Receive 1 small help token worth -2 points, and take 1 marble of your choice from the dispenser. Collisions made at this time do not cause an explosion. If you use a little help well, you can make a big explosion when you get your ingredients. Step 2. Using the ingredients. First, fill the potion tiles on your desk board's burner with the marbles you took by matching the color. If there is a corresponding color, it must be filled, and once the marble is placed on the potion, it cannot be removed. You may place up to 3 marbles in the flask and exchange them with any marbles in your hand until your turn is over. When all the holes of a potion tile have been filled with ingredients, that potion has been completed. Put all the marbles from the potion back into the dispenser, flip the potion tile to the completed side, and move it to the area below your desk board. At any time during your turn, you may drink 1 or more of the potions you have completed. You can drink right after completing a potion. Each potion can only be used once. To show that a potion was used, rotate it upside down. You never trigger explosions when you use a potion to take ingredient marbles from the dispenser. Let's take a look at the different potion effects. Take 1 ingredient from the dispenser. Steal all of the ingredients from one opponent's flask. Take 2 adjacent ingredients of different colors from the same slide track of the dispenser. You can place all ingredients in your flask on any holes in your potions, regardless of their color. Take up to 1 ingredient of each color from the bottom row of the dispenser. You can only take 1 ingredient from each slide track. Activate again the effect of 1 potion you already used. Take 2 or more adjacent ingredients of the same color from the same slide track of the dispenser. Discard up to 5 ingredients of 1 color from the same slide track of the dispenser back into the tank of the dispenser. Step 3. End your turn. After taking ingredients, if you have done enough actions, end your turn. Return any remaining ingredients in your hand to the dispenser. If you have 1 or fewer potions on your desk board, take potions from the potion tile stacks until you have 2. After checking to see if a skill token acquisition or an end of game condition has been met, the next player takes a turn. For each kind of potion, when you complete your 3rd potion of that kind, you receive a skill token. Also, when you complete your 5th different kind of potion, you receive a skill token. Take it from the countdown stack you created during game setup or from the supply if you run out. If someone takes the last skill token from the countdown stack or takes the last potion tile, the game ends after that round. Add up the potion tile points, skill token points, and deduct little help points. The player with the most points wins. In case of a tie, in order, starting with the starting player, take 1 ingredient from the dispenser and cause an explosion. Whoever gets the most ingredients wins. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, like, share and subscribe for more game guides. Let us know in the comments which game you'd like to master next.